Hi, all, Renee here. I am here today to put together a really fun punny card making workshop called Eat, Play, Love. It comes with an exclusive stamp and die set, which I have to tell you, when I first saw the stamp and die set, I'm like, wow, this is a lot smaller than what we usually get in these sets, especially the dies. I was like, wow, that's kind of small. Well, as I was putting this together, cutting everything out, and then going through and stamping everything, oh my gosh, the size is made up for the way this is designed. The cherries are actually a 3-step process, and they come out looking so amazing. So I can't wait to show you that. I've already done all my cutting, all my die cutting, and I think pretty much all of my stamping. I have a little bit of stamping still to do that I wanted to wait and do while the cards were being put together. I also have not done any of the journaling details. So I'm going to grab my journaling pen. I'm just using the black .05 journaling pen. So I've got that. I've got my supplies that I usually use. Another thing that comes in the kit are these really cute flower sequins. You'll get to see those as I start to use them. You also get 16 card bases and envelopes. So you get everything you need to put this together except for your adhesive. And then if you want to do the journaling pen little details, I guess we'll call them, you just need some sort of a pen to do that with. This is just a pen that we sell, which I think they're really good quality. They last for a really long time. We also have it in this grayish color. I think it's called pewter. Yes, pewter and black. So I find these pens really great to use, but I'm going to use the black today because I think it goes really well with the project. So I will go ahead and put some music on for you, get these punny little cards put together, and I'll be back at the end to show you some detail close-ups of them. I hope you enjoy. Okay, I love the way these came out. I'll give you some close-up looks. And this is what I was talking about with that 3-step stamp. You stamp the red cherries, then the green leaves, and then you do the outline in black. And it just turns out so stunning. I just absolutely love it. And I love how the stamp set has these little cherries so you can make your own background paper. And these little flower sequins are so fun. Just love it. So that's one. Then the second one is just a cherry with a single or a stem with a single cherry on it. And really like the way this turned out as well. And then this one, let me see if I can get it in the picture. That little glad you are in my life is so incredibly small. I'm hoping that whoever gets card can actually, well, I can read it no matter where it is, so I guess it's not that bad. Then this one I used my technique where you grab a piece of copy paper and you build your background on top of the copy paper. That way, in case anything doesn't completely match up perfectly, you can just slice it right off and you just cut it to size. And using copy paper makes it so that it's not too thick. But again, I think this just turned out really, really cute. And I love the extra detail you get just by making that line around with the journal pen. And to keep your lines, they don't have to be straight, but to keep them controlled, just slide your hand along the table as you're writing. Don't lift your hand and write. Keep your hand down and just slide along and keep your hand onto the table, and then you won't jump off the sides. So I love the way this came out. It made 16 cards. I do have the envelopes, and I have so many sequins left. I didn't even use one full sheet. So there you go. We got extra of those. And of course, have the stamp set left over. And then surprisingly, there's quite a bit of scraps left from this kit. So I think there's enough here for me to make at least 2, maybe 3 cards. So I'm going to put these to the side and find some sort of a project to use them on, because there's really a lot here. So I hope you enjoyed this kit. If you have any questions about it or any of the products I used, techniques I used, anything like that, just let me know. I'll be happy to get back with you. And thank you so much for being here today. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Just hit the red button down below. It doesn't cost anything. And with that, I will leave you. And I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye-bye.